Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10S, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into FastBoot mode. So to get started, hold your power key and select power off. When the tablet turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now, once you start holding it, you will see TCL logo on the screen. There we go. And after like 3 seconds, you can let go of those keys and simply wait for the recovery mode to show up. There we go. Once in this mode, using volume keys to navigate, you want to select FastBoot mode, confirm it with power key, and there you go. We are now in FastBoot mode. And just as before, you can use volume keys to navigate through this menu, and power key will be used confirm mode if selected. And from here, we can access just a normal Android by selecting Reboot System Now. This will basically leave this mode. We can enter recovery mode, which just takes us a step back to the previous screen. We can reboot to bootloader or power off the device. Now, I don't think bootloader actually exists, so I'm gonna quickly check it. So enter bootloader, and actually it might exist here. I did want to check out if there is a bootloader on here, and it looks like it is. So anyway, I'm gonna now leave this, which I believe I just need to hold power key and volume up. Obviously, easier way to leave this mode or just FastBoot mode would have been to stick with the Reboot System Now and confirm it with a power key, but because I selected a different option, come on, focus. There we go. I needed to go a little bit differently. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.